Hey guys, it's Blackstone Betty. The holidays are here, which means I know we're all hoping to receive some of our favorite Blackstone seasonings, apparel, and accessories in our stockings this year. In this video, I'm going to teach you guys how you can make a gift to truly be proud of giving. Some holiday Chex Mix homemade right off your Blackstone. This one is so delicious. I cannot wait to show you guys, so let's jump right into it. Who doesn't love Chex Mix? And when it's hot off the Blackstone, it is absolutely delicious. And the best part about this is that you can customize this using any ingredients you want to add to this recipe or take out, and you can switch up the seasonings from savory to sweet, make your own blend, or like in this video, we're using the Parmesan Ranch and the new Blackstone Essential Blend, two of my absolute favorites. The Essential Blend is so garlicky good. I cannot wait for you guys to get your hands on a bottle of this. You'll start off with a small pot melting 2 sticks of butter and 2 to 2.5 tablespoons of Worcestershire sauce. While that melts together, let's roughly measure out our ingredients. My Chex Mix must have corn Chex cereal along with rice Chex cereal, about 3 cups each. Rather than using wheat Chex, which is my least favorite, I love using Life multigrain original cereal. It adds just a touch of sweetness and a super awesome crunch that I can't get enough of. About 2 cups of that. Next up, I have some pretzel sticks, about 1 cup to 2 cups, and some sourdough pretzel bites, about 1 cup of those. I love adding sesame sticks for the texture and the flavor, so about 1 cup of those, and then 2 cups of my favorite rye crisp, which already come baked with that delicious garlic flavor, and you know me, I love anything with lots of garlic. I'm adding in about 1.5 cups of cashews. You want to make sure they're lightly salted or unsalted, as well as peanuts. Same goes for the lightly salted or unsalted. Now remember, you can get crazy with what you want to add to this. You can do oyster crackers or Cheez-Its, Cheetos, anything you can think of, add to it and get crazy. If you're going for a sweeter seasoning blend, hold off on all of your candies or chocolates or marshmallows till this cools off after it toasts up on the Blackstone. Our butter and Worcestershire is perfectly melted together, so I'm going to pull this off and set it aside. Turn up my burners to low all the way across my 36-inch Blackstone. You want to be sure to have a thoroughly clean griddle top. Wipe it down with paper towels if there's any leftover oil behind or any leftover food from prior cooks. You want a clean, dry surface for this Chex Mix to start off. One of my favorite stocking stuffers this year has to be the Blackstone silicone griddle mat. This thing has been a lifesaver, keeping my side trays nice and clean every time I'm cooking. Time to load up our griddle with our Chex Mix. We'll spread this across and give it a quick toss just to incorporate all of those ingredients. If it looks like you want to make more, now's the time to add more of your ingredients to your griddle. Spread it out on a thin layer. After about a minute or two, we're going to drizzle our butter and Worcestershire mixture all over everything. Give it a quick toss to make sure to coat each piece of goodness completely. Be gentle with your spatulas. If you feel you need more butter or Worcestershire, go right ahead and melt more and add more. Let everything begin to toast up, mixing it a few times throughout. If you feel the need to add more heat or take away any heat from any zones on your Blackstone, do that. Time to season up our Chex Mix. Let's grab our Blackstone Parmesan Ranch and season everything one time over, along with our Blackstone Essential Blend. Give everything a mix and let it toast up a few more minutes. If your heat is running too low or too high in any one of your zones, just turn it off or turn it up. The best part of cooking your own Chex Mix on the Blackstone is that you can taste test it throughout its cook. If it needs more seasoning, go ahead and do that. Within 10 minutes, you will have the most delicious Chex Mix, customized to your very own liking with whatever seasoning it is that you pick. You'll pull off your Chex Mix and allow it to cool. Unless you're serving this up right away, it is absolutely delicious, hot off the Blackstone. Today I'm going to be bagging and boxing mine up for gifts. I found these cute little bags and boxes at the dollar store. The only downside to making your own Chex Mix at home for gifts for everyone is the fact that you have to try to resist eating it all before it's time to give it away. I cannot wait to see how you guys make your Chex Mix at home, what you add to it, what seasonings you guys pick. When you do, don't forget to take a picture and post it and tag Blackstone products and tag Blackstone Betty. I'm Blackstone Betty, wishing you guys all a very Merry Christmas. I will see you guys in the next video.